If you have a packaging store where you supply material to your customer, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your packaging supply store business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding availability, price, booking, info and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your tasks and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your packaging supply store business using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web, and over here, I will type a key message, for example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, I got a response reply in which they welcome me, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: place an order, browse a product and talk to agent. I'm going to click on browse a product. As soon as I have selected browse product, I got a message in which they mention all their suppliers. With that, they have also provided me a catalog link. Not only that, they have also mentioned a action button which is menu. As soon as I have selected the menu option, I got initial message one more time. This time I'm going to select place an order. To place an order, they want few details like product name. Now they want to know about the quantity. After that, they want to know about the delivery address. As soon as they got every single detail, they have provided me with a confirmation message that we will confirm stock, share the invoice and dispatch and approval. With that also, they have provided me an action button which is menu. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within seconds and made my customer experience so much fun and better, that too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are two options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, but as we are working with Pabbly Chatflow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are two options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chatflow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, Setting and Get Help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. packaging, supply, store, business. I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your packaging, supply, store, business. After giving meaningful name, we need to know about three main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose a created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As I got to know about all three features, today I am going to use Reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I will send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and over here, I'm going to browse my image. As you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button and select the text button. Over here, I'm going to enter my message like this, where I have mentioned, welcome to Package easeBot, your packaging supply assistant, your box to bubble wrap. We got you business packaged, fast, easy, and reliable. How can we help you today? And with that, I'm going to provide few action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text, place an order, browse product, and talk to an agent. I'm going to give a separate message for each action button. Let's start with place an order. To place an order, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, and connect with my action button like product name. I have selected my contact custom field as product name and format as any. After that, I have asked my customer about the quantity. I have selected my contact custom field as quantity and my format as any. Now after that, I have asked my customer about their address. I've selected my contact custom field as address and my format as any. After that, I'm going to send a message to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop text button, connect with my previous question, and I'm going to enter my message. We will confirm stock, share the invoice, and dispatch the approval. And with that, I have provided an action button which is menu, and I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. Let's move to our second action button, which is browse a product. To browse a product, we need to drag and drop, select the text button, and here I'm going to enter my message where I have mentioned all the stock with our catalog link. And with that also, I have provided an action button menu, and I have connected this menu button with our initial message again, as I have told you earlier. Let's move to our last action button, which is talk to agent. I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button, and enter my message where I have entered my message that our team will contact them as soon as possible, and our working hours are from Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. With that also, I have added an action button which is menu. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the design information that would be needed to run a chatbot for packaging, supply, store, business. On to our last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time.
Not only this, you can create many more chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.